Hey everyone, in this tutorial we shall cover the basic concepts of TypeScript and why it is important to learn TypeScript. So what is TypeScript? TypeScript is a programming language owned by Microsoft. It is sort of an advanced JavaScript that comprises of ES6 and ES7 with more functionalities. It is a typed superset of JavaScript that can be compiled down to plain JavaScript. This means you can actually write TypeScript and use the compiler to compile it to plain JavaScript. One major reason you should use TypeScript is the optional static type system it has. You know, in plain JavaScript, while initializing a variable, you do not specify the type of the variable until the code is run. Then JavaScript can detect the type of the variable. In TypeScript, you have the option of declaring the type of a variable while writing your code, and when another type value is assigned to that variable, TypeScript will give us an error without us running the code, unlike JavaScript, where a type error is only detected when we run the code. The next reason you should use TypeScript is TypeScript is known for its ability to infer a type on a variable when it's initialized. Do not worry, we shall get to see how easy it is to understand all of this soon. Before we jump into the next video, ensure you have basic knowledge in JavaScript and ES6. But if you don't, the link to my course on JavaScript that covers ES6 is in the description. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.